So we start off today's video with someone who has pretty long hair. Looks like she does have a few platinum streaks sprinkled throughout. Wow, absolutely gorgeous angled bob. This one features longer hair in the front that comes past the shoulder blades and shorter hair in the back. The pop of platinum really just adds something special and trendy to the cut overall. Absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. Here we have another bob haircut. There's her hair just laying on the floor there. The stylist is going back in to add some texture with these curls. Absolutely gorgeous. This is such an effortless and chic style. So carefree and beautiful. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we move on to the next haircut transformation. Looks like the stylist is doing a pixie bob style. I love how this frames out her face, her jawline. Wow, absolutely gorgeous transformation. Beautiful, modern pixie bob style. And if you guys do want to see more pixie bobs, I do have a whole video showcasing that particular trend. It is very popular right now. So next up, the stylist is going to be adding some layers for this particular hairstyle. So he's just kind of mapping out where he wants the hair to fall best on the client based on her face shape. Now, most of the time with these layered hairstyles, we do see curtain bangs. Gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. One of the hottest hair trends we're seeing this season as well. And And then we have a bold hair color transformation by Wes Does Hair. This is actually on his wife, so he's putting in some extensions, and then she's going to be getting some money piece highlights. Love how this blonde looks with the hot pink and the blonde black. This is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Such a bold and unique hair color combination. Absolutely adore it. And then we see this copper faded cut transformation. Nice design going there on the side. This copper color is so beautiful. You guys already know, if you follow this channel, I am in love with the copper trend, and it looks amazing to me on many different skin tones and complexions. It's just a gorgeous color all around. So next up, we see another long to short transformation. Looks like she's going to be getting a lob, shoulder length bob haircut. Once again, with some face framing bangs. Very nice. Such a modern and chic style. Love how the bob is being updated with these fun curtain bangs. And then we see someone with curly hair. Looks like the stylist is adding some bangs to this one as well. Oh, we kind of did like a shaggy bob for this one. Shaggy curly bob style. This is so cute. Very pretty. And then we have another style that features some bangs. Very nice. This is right on trend with some of the hottest looks that we're seeing this season. We have some more bangs being added for the next style. Once again, showcasing the curtain bang trend. Nice layers being added to frame out those bangs. Beautiful. So much volume with this hair trend. Her hair just looks absolutely incredible. Alright, you guys, I hope you did enjoy all these hairstyles featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.